Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans and you join me on this lovely morning with a Ford Ranger Wildtrak edition. This one here is in a lovely orange and I am just taking you around the vehicle now. It does have 42,000 miles on the clock, 5 seats and is an automatic as well. Just opening up the passenger door here, you can see that we've got two lovely part leather chairs which are heated as well, which we control down here. And I will just show you in the back as well. We have the 3 seats as well. Popping down the middle one just here does act as an armrest or cup holders as well. And if I bring your attention just down here, we do of course have 12 volts and AC as well. I'll just shut those up. Bringing you around to the back and the bed, we do have a cover on top, which I won't open for you now. And of course, drop down into the bed there as well. Very spacious for anything you may be wanting to carry. Now just going to hop in the driver's seat to show you some of the conveniences built in. It's just beeping at me because I have got the engine on and the door is open. Inside, first of all, we have cruise control, voice assist, air conditioning and heated seats like I mentioned earlier. That can all be controlled up here or quite simply with the dials down here as well. Two 12-volt outlets as well. And an automatic, as I mentioned earlier. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and also low range. Of course, we've got access to the radio, satellite navigation, mobile apps, if your phone is connected, and a couple of extra settings you can go through. Come over to the display on this side. We do, of course, have a rev counter, speedometer, distance to empty, and, of course, if we just knock it into reverse, we do have a reversing camera as well. Thank you very much.